he wants it.
Is it alive? Oh, he killed that.
He's cool.
He wants a new prey now. He's just going after killing. He doesn't even want it. You think he'll bring that to the door?
I don't know. Should we check and see?
Should I just call him?
No. I want to get a video of him playing with it really quick first.
Think he can see us through this window?
Yeah. But he doesn't know we're watching him.
Did you hear him or something?
I heard him meowing, like, meow. And then I looked out and I was like, oh, he has a mouse.
I'm gonna call him and see if he comes with it.
Okay. He's playing with it again, Salem. It's like throwing it up in the air.
He's rolling it.
Oh, he has it.
Bleu! Kitty! Bleu!
Nice voice.
Is he coming?
No, he doesn't even hear you.
Bleu!
Oh, now he's coming. Hi, you little mass murderer, you serial killer little devil. Isn't it kind of funny that cats are actually just like murderers? They kill things. Like if Dobby would have done that, we would think he's crazy. But cats, it's for some reason it.
Just killed himself.
What bug just killed himself? What are you talking about?
He attached his legs.
What? What kind of bug is it? Why is there a cricket down here? Hi, you little devil. You killing birdies, huh? Oh, my baby. Come here. Come on. Come on. Oh, you're so handsome. My little mass murderer. Where's your little birdie, huh? Where's your baby? Where's your baby at? Where's your baby? Where's your baby? Where's your little dead birdie? Here, want that? Did you know that the neighbor lady's cat got run over by a car?
What lady?
You know that orange cat that looked like cinnamon?
Yeah.